How does a beetle survive being crushed under pressure? Scientists drove a car over this beetle. The beetle walked away. They tried crushing it with forces 39,000 times its own body weight. It survived. Engineers have spent years trying to understand how, and what they found is changing the way we build everything. The beetle is called the diabolical ironclad beetle, and its secret is not muscle, not size, not speed. It is hidden entirely inside the architecture of its own exoskeleton. A biological engineering solution so perfect that Boeing and other companies are now copying it. Here is what is actually happening inside that exoskeleton. The beetle has no wings hidden under its shell like most beetles do. Instead, the two shell halves have fused together, creating a single unified armored structure. The shell is made of interlocking puzzle piece-shaped segments that are connected by a biological jigsaw joint design. When force is applied from above, the puzzle joints compress and interlock tighter rather than separating and fracturing. The exoskeleton is not rigid like steel. It is a graded material, gradually transitioning from extremely hard outer layers to softer, more flexible inner layers. This gradient prevents cracks from forming at the surface and traveling inward. Instead, the force is distributed and absorbed across the complete biological architecture simultaneously. Here is the fact that will shock you. Engineers at UC Irvine scanned the beetle exoskeleton and discovered that the jigsaw joint connecting the two shell halves is geometrically perfect. The interlocking geometry distributes compressive force so evenly that no single point ever receives enough stress to fracture. They copied this exact geometry into aircraft fuselage joints and found it increased connection strength by 35% compared to conventional engineering designs. So the next time you see a beetle, understand that you are looking at a biological engineering solution that survived 300 million years of testing. Boeing could not improve on it. Stanford could not improve on it. The beetle figured it out before humans existed, and it did it by evolving something stronger than anything we have ever deliberately designed.